authorities have issued a civil emergency message for El Paso TX, beginning at 7:38 p.m. and ending at 8:38 p.m. All parks and recreational areas are now closed to the public and off limits. Public and private gatherings of any number of people are prohibited. Anyone returning from travel of 100 plus miles outside the city must self-quarantine for 14 days. For more info, visit obstruct.org. Todos los parques Guayaquil's recreativas al oeste and cerca at LPA degrees Brica Guayapura de Alemanes. Se pueden ver las reuniones PA degrees Bricas Guayapura de Cuaquire and A degrees Mero de Personas. Personas ricas ando de de 100 plus miles fuera de la ciudad deben entrar en cuarentena por 14 días. Per esa información, obstruct.org.
What the frick?
Cuba was born in a warm tropical sea. 3/4 of the island is limestone, formed from the skeletons of sea creatures settling as fine sands on the seabed. Millions of years of pressure and upheaval created the rock that forms most of the island today. Limestone creates its very own wonderland. As rain and water dissolves it over time, it riddles the island with caves, both above and below water. This is a cenote, a vertical cave of collapsed limestone. Many are hundreds of feet deep. Over the eons, these peculiar places have become home to some very unusual creatures. And in Cuba, this is perhaps the most bizarre. A primitive garfish known as a manhuari. A true living fossil, manhuari have an extraordinary ability. They can breathe air. If their water becomes stagnant and oxygen runs low, they can gulp air from the surface to survive.